Hi boys and girls. Today and this week we are starting to talk about addition and how cool that you guys are going to be mathematicians and you get to add and subtract. That's so much fun. So one of the ways that we can add is by, I'm going to call this drawing a picture, but you also should have a tens frame template in your resources from the beginning of the year. And if you put that in your page protector, you can use that to help you solve problems, okay? It's right here. Okay. So the first thing that I want you to do is I want you to write your name on your paper. One thing that we're practicing on doing is writing our name, but we also want to get in the habit of always writing our name on the top of each of our papers because one day we will come back to school and you're going to have to write your name on your paper so that way the teacher knows which one is yours. Okay? So it's a good habit to get into, plus it's extra practice for us to practice adding. So I wrote my name on the top of my paper, and now we're adding. So my problem is 3, and then this sign is a plus in 4. And if you think about it, this to me looks like a hug, and we're going to hug these numbers together. When we add, we're bringing things together. So what I want you to do is I want you to find 2 colors. I chose pink and green, but you can choose any 2 colors that you want. Okay, so for the first number, you're going to take your first color, and we're going to color that many squares in our, this is a 10 frame. So we're going to color that many squares. What number is this? It's a 3. You are so correct. So I'm going to color 3 squares. And remember, we're practicing controlling our marker or our crayon, whatever we're coloring with. We're practicing controlling it. So we're not just scribbling, but we're really working on building our hand muscles and controlling and trying to stay in the lines as much as we possibly can. All right. I colored 1, 2, 3 squares, and that was my first number. What is my second number? Friends, sometimes when we type on a computer, we get to pick fonts, and like our handwriting is our font. My handwriting is different from your handwriting, so that's like my font and your font. And sometimes the computer writes numbers and letters all silly because they try to be fancy. Like when we look at our letters and I tell you that there's those 2 special letters that the computer likes to type in a fancy way. This is the same number as this. This is the same number as this. It's a 4. So what I want you to do is I want you to use your second color. And we're going to color this many squares. I'm going to color 4 squares. And I'm controlling my marker, staying inside the lines as much as I possibly can. Trying to build my handwriting muscles. Here's 2. I couldn't smell the green marker, but I can sure smell this pink marker all the way over here. 1 more. If you need to pause the video at any time, you can do that too to catch up, okay? So here is my 10 frame, and I have 3. 1, 2, 3 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when I add, all I have to do is count how many squares are all colored. So let's count how many are colored all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. This sign right here is an equal sign. And it just means that that is how much we have. We started with 3 green boxes. We added 4 pink boxes. And I have 7 boxes colored in all. Okay? I'm going to do one more with you. And then I want you to try to do the rest of them on your own. Okay? My first number is 2. So I'm going to start with my first color, and I'm going to color 2 squares. One, 2. 2 squares. Okay. Now I'm going to look at my second number that I'm adding. And what number is this? Also, it's trying to be fancy. You're right. It's a 1. I just need to color 1 pink square. Or whatever color your second color is. 1 square, that color. Okay, now remember, we just have to add count how many squares are colored. 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. And to write a 3, I start up at the top. My marker is a little dying, so I have to write a little up and down. Around and around to make the number 3. Okay, I want you with your first color to color in this many squares. Okay, color in 5 squares. And then with your second color, I want you to color in 2 squares. And then I want you to count how many squares you colored all together and write your number in this box. Okay? Do that for the last 3 and then have your adult take a picture and post it to our Google Classroom so I can see your smart, hard work. And remember, friends, that you're just doing the best that you can. All I ever ask for you is just to do your best. Happy mathing, friends.